Hi, this is Nate McGee with Microquant, bringing you the Value Charts Forex Live Trading Room Trade of the Day for this Tuesday, July 9th, 2013. What I have pulled up here is a euro dollar on a weekly chart, and I wanted to bring your attention this nice head and shoulders pattern that has finally broken a neckline. We have been tracking this head and shoulders pattern for quite a few weeks now, expecting it to break at any point. We thought it was going to break over here earlier, but it didn't quite do that. But it's a pretty significant head and shoulders pattern here. This whole thing spans right around 43 weeks here, so we can expect prices to head down much further here over the next couple of weeks. Going to go ahead and bring up a daily chart here. This may look a little confusing at first with all these lines, but I just wanted to show you what's happened. This purple trend line right here is our neckline. That is what we see over on the weekly chart a couple of seconds ago. And we see right here last week, price came down here, couldn't quite break through. Had a little bit of a retracement here. Then today we broke the neckline, and the neckline break was right around the 28 mark. So it's going to be heading down from there. Now I'm going to back out this a little bit just so you can see kind of where profit targets may be. No, it's a lot of lines here, but we have right here, I went ahead and pulled some Fibonacci retracement lines from this swing low to this swing high here. You can see the 2360 retracement right here. You can see prices respect it right in here. Kind of went above it, but it pulled back down. And you can see right here the 50% retracement is right here towards this neckline, which is pretty interesting. But since we did have the break, we could expect price at least to come down to right in this area, I would say, the 2660 mark. That could be your first profit target, right along these lows here. If it continues to head down there, we should expect prices to kind of bounce along, retrace a little bit. But after it continues to head back down here, you can expect to see it maybe at 2464 mark. Comes across these lows down here, which is also one of our fib retracement levels, the 7640. And if it continues to go down through there, we can see it come down this 2240 area, which is right along these lows here. So that could be at least 3 profit targets. If it does continue to head all the way down to a full retracement to the downside, we can see prices come way down here to this 2041 mark. So what we did today, we actually took a trade right as the neckline was broken, right around here. And we put a pretty loose stop, because this is going to be a longer term trade. This is good for the swing traders and position traders. So make sure you have enough room for your stop. We gave it about 50, 70 pips, something like that. That's a pretty decent amount in case it does want to bounce back up here. But longer term, if we look at the weekly chart, we could expect this to head down, potentially all the way down to this area here, around the 2028 mark. So that's it for today. Just a reminder, we have a webinar tonight at 8:30. It's over the 3 key value bar patterns. That's pretty interesting stuff. If you want to find out more about that, be sure to tune into the webinar tonight. That's it for me, guys. Never miss another value charts trade of the day. Go ahead and subscribe to our YouTube channel below, where you can find more trade of the day videos for Forex, as well as options, futures, and coming soon, equities. That's it for me. Once again, this is Nate McGee reminding you to trade smarter, not harder, and as always, trade with confidence.